everyone. Welcome back to our channel. If you're passionate about technology and curious about how machines understand and categorize information, you're in the right place. Today, we're diving into an essential topic in the realm of machine learning, text classification. So, grab your notebooks and let's get started. Now, what exactly is text classification and why is it so important in the world of machine learning? Well, let's break it down. Text classification is a type of machine learning task that involves categorizing text into predefined classes or categories. In simple terms, it's like teaching a computer to read and understand sentences and then decide what message those sentences will encode. Think about it as you working with a computer Now, let's look at some practical examples to understand this better. One of the most common applications of text classification is email filtering. Ever wonder how your inbox automatically separates important emails from spam? That's text classification at work. Algorithms analyze the content of emails and classify them based on various features like keywords or the sender's address. Here's how it typically works. First, the algorithm is trained on a dataset of labeled emails. This means it learns from examples of what constitutes spam and what doesn't. It uses features like the presence of certain words, the frequency of those words, and even the structure of the email. Once trained, the model can predict the text content without seeing accuracy. Another exciting use is when text classification targets a sentiment analysis. This is often monitoring how customers feel about their products or services. By classifying customers as either interested, like positive, negative, or neutral, companies engage public sentiment to improve their offerings. For instance, consider a restaurant that receives hundreds of reviews on platforms like Yelp. The sentiment analysis model can quickly process this data and summarize the overall customer satisfaction. Many reviews mention great service, the model tells them. On the other hand, if numerous reviews mention slow service or cold, those get flagged as negative. This information is used by the businesses to enhance their customer experience. Text classification isn't just limited to emails and customer reviews. It's widely used in social media monitoring as well. Companies can track mentions of their brand and automatically classify posts as positive, negative, or neutral. This allows them to respond in real time to customer feedback, whether it's a compliment or a complaint. Imagine a scenario where a company launches a new product. By monitoring social media, they can quickly assess public reaction